Om. The Light of Truth, Part 11, Chapter 7, God, Soul and Veda, Section A. Question. There are more gods than one mentioned in the Vedas. Do you believe this or not? Answer. No, we do not. As nowhere in all the four Vedas there is written anything that could go to show that there are more gods than one. On the other hand, it is clearly said in many places that there is only one God. Question. What is the meant by the mention of various devatas, gods, in the Vedas then? Answer. Whatsoever or whoever gives us something is called a devata, as the earth, for instance. It gives us everything to survive, but it is nowhere said that it is God or is the object of our adoration. There are 33 devatas, 8 vasus, 11 rudras, 12 months of a year, electricity or Indra, and yajna or havan. The vasus are earth, water, fire, air, sky, moon, sun, and stars. Rudras are the air in 11 different parts of our body. That makes them 33. God existed in the beginning of the creation. He is the creator, support and sustainer of the earth, sun and other luminous worlds. He is the Lord of the past creation. He is the Lord of the present. He will be the Lord of unborn future universe. He created the whole world and he sustains it. He is eternal bliss. Yajurved. Question. Is God all pervading or does he reside at some particular place? Answer. Yes, he is all pervading. If he were localized to some particular place, he could never be omniscient, universal, controller, creator of all, sustainer of all, and the cause for resolution of all things into their elements, as it is impossible for the doer to do anything in place where he is not. Question. Is God just as well as merciful? Answer. Yes, he is both. Question. These two attributes are opposed to each other, since justice consists in giving a person the just amount of pleasure or pain, neither more nor less, according to the nature of his deeds, while mercy consisted in letting the offender go unpunished. How could he be both merciful and just at the same time? Answer. Justice and mercy differ only in name. The object served by justice is the same as accomplished by mercy. Now, the object of inflicting punishment through justice is to prevent people from committing crimes and thereby enable them to be freed from pain and misery. The object of mercy is to rid people of misery. Your definitions of justice and mercy are not correct, because the infliction of just punishment in exact accordance with the amount of crime is called justice. If the offender be not punished, mercy will be destroyed. For one such criminal to go unpunished amounts to giving pain to thousands of righteous and law-abiding people. Question. Is God in form or is he formless? Answer. He is formless. Had he been in a form, he could never be omnipresent or omniscient, since a finite substance can possess only finite attributes actions, and nature. Besides, he could never be free from hunger and thirst, heat and cold, disease, imperfections and injuries. This proves, therefore, that God is formless. Question: is God all powerful or not? Answer: yes, he is. But what you understand by the word all powerful is not right. It really means that God does not require the least assistance from any person in all his works, such as creation, sustenance, and dissolution of the universe, and administration of divine justice. In other words, he does all his works with his own infinite power. Question: is God Anadi or Sadi? Answer: he is Anadi, as he has no cause for beginning. He has always been there. Question: what does God desire? Answer: the good of all and the happiness of all. But he does not, by the caprice of his own will, subordinate one person to another without an offense. Question: should we glorify God, pray to him, and commune with him? Will God by once doing so suspend his laws and forgive the sins of his devotees? Answer: no. Thou art light. Be merciful and shed that light into my heart. Thou art infinite energy. Through thy grace endow me with unfailing energy. Thou art infinite strength. Endow me with strength. Thou art infinite power. Endow me with great power. Thou art wrathful with the wicked. Make me also wrathful. Thou art moved neither by slander nor by praise. Thou art forbearing towards those who offend against thee. Make me also forbearing. Yajurved. Lead us, O Supreme Spirit, Teacher of teachers, from falsehood to rectitude, from darkness into light of knowledge, from death and disease to immortality and eternal happiness. Shatapat Brahman. A man should act in accordance with what he prays for. For example, if he prays for the attainment of highest wisdom, let him do his utmost to attain it. In other words, prayer should be addressed to God for the attainment of an object after one has strenuously endeavored to attain it. Continued.